Most people are losing a game they don't even know they're playing. They wake up tired, work jobs they hate, then kill their dreams one scroll at a time, all while the system applauds them for being normal. But let me ask you something brutal. When was the last time you felt truly alive? Because that fire, that hunger, that version of you that would rather die than stay average, it's still in there. This speech isn't for the motivated. This is for the obsessed, the broken, the misunderstood, the ones who see more and are willing to bleed for it. Success doesn't come to those who want it. It comes to those who can't sleep without it. Obsession is not a flaw. It's a requirement. Every great empire in history, whether it was built from code, concrete, or content, was born from someone who went all in. You say you want to change your life, but are you obsessed enough to study your craft for 10 hours a day? To disappear for 2 years while you rebuild yourself in silence? The world is designed to distract you. If you're not obsessed, you're already losing. Your parents told you to play it safe. School trained you to follow instructions. Society rewards comfort, and you listened. But nobody tells you this. Every breakthrough comes after a breakdown. Every win is paid for in fear. You can't tiptoe into greatness. You can't kinda want it. You either burn for it or stay broke. The safe road doesn't lead to freedom. It leads to regret. And that's a pain far worse than failure. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. Motivation fades, but systems? Systems save you when you're tired, when you're doubting, when you're lost. Winners build rituals, calendars, deadlines, habits so tight they don't even have to think, they just execute. Losers wait to feel like it. Winners make it non-negotiable. Your system is your weapon. Sharpen it, or be destroyed by your own inconsistency. Nobody cares how hard you work. They only care what you create. You're not underpaid, you're undervalued. And you're undervalued because you haven't become irreplaceable. Stop seeking validation. Start delivering undeniable value. You want attention? Earn it. You want respect? Build it. You want freedom? Trade value for it every single day. You will outgrow the old you 1,000 times. Let it happen. The reason you're stuck isn't because you're not capable. It's because you're still clinging to a version of you that's already expired. Reinvention isn't comfortable. It's violent. It's spiritual. It's lonely. But it's the only way forward. Every successful person you admire, they die